Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Alexandru. On this channel you will find news and information about cryptocurrencies and business, also very good information about different methods of earning money. If you like this Alexandru YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In the clip presented today we will talk about Pi Network. What is the latest Pi coin prediction? There are now 33 million so-called pioneers, that is, miners in the Pi network, but there is still no clear idea of how they will benefit. Debate continues as to whether Pi Network, the app that claims it is meant to open up cryptocurrencies to everyone, is a well-intentioned initiative or a scam. If it's a scam, it's not a traditional Ponzi-style scam, because users aren't investing their money, they're investing some time on their mobile phones. Where the organization has come under fire is for exploiting its community by selling advertising to reach these 33 million pioneers. However, the team behind Network Pi says it's a genuine effort by a team of Stanford grads to give everyday people greater access to cryptocurrencies, and there are plenty of crypto believers who see it as an opportunity, and in many cases have taken advantage of it, to get involved in a cryptocurrency early on and potentially profit sometime in the future. They do this, presumably, with an eye on some of the early adopters of Bitcoin, BTC, who have accumulated earnings from mining and holding the coin. However, others have compared the Pi cryptocurrency to a worthless multi-level marketing, MLM, scam. As of March 24, no coins are still being traded, meaning no transactions and no fiat rewards. The organization behind it recently tweeted, Pi Network has had an amazing year of growth, full of achievements where they met their roadmap goals and increased the utility of the network. This includes the launch of the main net, and Pi Network insists that this is the point at which an exchange could list the coin. Neither has yet shown any sign of wanting to do so, with Pi Day on March 14, a concept that works better if you use US-style data. It announced two more innovations, the launch of its mass KYC, Know Your Customer, solution and a new Pi mining engine that allows a more diverse mining in terms of rewards. These actions could increase value for advertisers. The Pi network has continued to insist that it is not running an initial coin offering, ICO, or crowdfunding sale, and coins that can be mined in the ecosystem currently remain in the ecosystem, in its white paper. The organization states that in Phase 3, only validated accounts belonging to distinct real persons will be honored. This is the so-called Know Your Customer, KYC, process. It adds, this is the phase where Pi can be connected to exchanges and exchanged for other currencies. Many pioneers are keen for this to happen as they see little value in the coins they have mined if they cannot sell them. This article provides an overview of what the Pi network is all about and how Pi coin price prediction is shaping up. What is Pi network? Pi Network is a digital currency project that aims to maintain the accessibility of cryptocurrency mining, as the centralization of first-generation currencies such as Bitcoin put them out of reach for ordinary users. Pi Network, developed by a team of Stanford graduate students, allows users to mine coins using its mobile phone app by validating transactions on a distributed ledger, unlike nodes in networks like Bitcoin that use proof-of-work, POW, protocols. Pi nodes use an algorithm based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. Pi nodes validate transactions on a distributed ledger and reach consensus on the order of new transactions that the ledger records. Within SCP, Pi nodes form security circles, or groups, of 3 to 5 trusted individuals known to each of the network users. Security circles build a global network of trust that prevents fraudulent transactions because transactions can only be validated in the shared ledger if trusted nodes approve them, with branding based on the number Pi. Phase 1 of the project launched in 2019 on Pi Day, March 14, with a free Pi mining app. As of June 2019, the network had over 100,000 active users. A year later, when Phase 2 launched, there were over 3.5 million users. The app started running ads in May 2020 to provide a source of funding for the project. On November 25, Pi Network announced that its user base had grown to 29 million. Up from 14 million in March 2021, the Pi coin, or PI, is the cryptocurrency that runs on the Pi network, and like other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, it was designed to undergo a regular halving to protect its scarcity. Halving is when the number of coins a miner receives for processing new transactions is halved. It usually appears when a certain milestone is reached. Pi mining rate halved from 1.6 pi per hour when it reached 100,000 users, halved again to 0.4 pi per hour when it reached 1 million, and halved again to 0.2 pi when it reached 10 million. It will further halve to 0 at 1 billion users. During the current second phase of the project, users can volunteer to test the Pi Node desktop software on their computer. The Pi Wallet and Pi Browser were released for testing on April 1, 2021. And on June 28, a developer portal, software development kit, SDK, and other resources were released. According to Pi's roadmap, they plan to introduce a Know Your Customer, KYC, solution, expanded developer resources, more apps and community content, along with the mainnet launch. From June 28 to September 30, Pi held its first hackathon, #BuildPi2Gether, to encourage developers to contribute ecosystem applications to improve the Pi's functionality and business applications to serve a consumer or commercial product. Pi awarded a total of $100,000 and 100,000 PI to the top projects in each category. Pi remains in pre-release mode. If you're wondering how to buy Pi coin for your wallet, you can't. Users who have mined Pi cryptocurrency will only be able to withdraw or exchange their coins during the third phase of the project, when it will move to a decentralized blockchain. Pi cannot be transferred during the testing phase to prevent fake accounts from accumulating coins. According to the project website, wallet balances are expected to be available when Pi transitions from testnet to mainnet, when the blockchain protocol exits development and is fully implemented. As a result, Pi coin is not yet available for trading on any crypto exchange or trading platform. The price of the Pi has not yet been determined. With Phase 3 launched, holders will be able to take full control of their wallet's private and public keys and use the coin to purchase products and services on Pi's peer-to-peer marketplace. Without keys, users cannot transfer or spend the currency they hold. The Pi mining app acts as a cryptocurrency wallet, linked to a user's mobile phone number or Facebook account. As with other public blockchains, the Pi blockchain will allow external wallets to hold Pi coins and send transactions directly to the blockchain. However, unlike other blockchains, its developers have not yet released its source code. Early adopters are hoarding Pi cryptocurrency in anticipation that the price will skyrocket after the release of Phase 3. Although the coin's mining rate has been halved, users can increase their mining rate by connecting with other active miners. New users can only join the Pi network if they have a referral code from another user. The project's developers claim that the security of the Pi network is enhanced by personal networks, encouraging users to bring their friends and family, prompting skepticism that it could be a pyramid or multi-level marketing scheme. However, it is worth noting that users can only earn coins from their own direct networks and not from the networks of their connections. As in the case of an MLM scheme, in November, the organization began releasing technology and product updates to provide an overview of the work going on behind the scenes in the previous month. The October newsletter said that the core team has spent a significant amount of time rolling out new and updated product features to the Pi ecosystem. These included the KYC Pilot app and Block Explorer. After being tested with community moderators, KYC app Pilot was rolled out, on a limited basis, to start the Pioneer verification process and improve app usability and machine automation. Pi Block Explorer has also been implemented, which helps pioneers to view transaction history and explore transaction data such as sender, recipient and amount. Also updated is the Pi Wallet, where the company created push notifications to alert pioneers when they receive a payment on the blockchain, and fixed a bug for Android users who couldn't see their wallet passphrase. The company added that the Brainstorm app now features a redesigned app that displays hackathon winners, featuring an improved user interface, improved tagging functionality for users to create custom tags on their projects, and a feature that allows projects to upload logos to the page they brainstorm. Some cryptocurrency watchers have already started making their prediction of the value of the Pi network. Let's take a look at what the price of Pi could be when it starts trading. Pi Network. Pi Coin Price Prediction 2022 to 2025. As with other digital currencies at launch, the value of Pi cryptocurrency is likely to start relatively low against the US dollar and increase as usage increases. What are some of the price forecasters suggesting? Both cryptocurrency data provider CoinMarketCap and algorithmic forecasting site Wallet Investor indicate a current value of $0.007077 for the Pi coin. However, as of March 24, the coin is now predicted to be worth $0.000001. On March 24, Digital Coin's Pi Network cryptocurrency price prediction did not revise its calculation for the set value of $0.007077 and did not provide any prediction to deviate from that assessment. It is important to note that the crypto market remains highly volatile, making it difficult to accurately predict a coin's price for a few hours and even harder to give long-term estimates. As such, analysts can and do make wrong predictions. We recommend that you always do your own research and consider the latest market trends, news, technical and fundamental analysis and expert opinions before making any investment decisions. And never invest more than you can afford to lose. Follow Capital.com to stay updated with the updated PI/USD price forecast as additional data becomes available. If you like this clip and learned something from it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.